beautiful friends, welcome. My name is Christina Marie. I do beauty reviews, tutorials, unboxings, lots of unboxings, and lots of giveaways. Every month I do an eyeshadow palette giveaway. For the month of August, it is a sleek eyeshadow palette. I also have a giveaway going on right now in honor of our 200 subscriber, as well as a separate one in honor of our 100th follower over on Instagram. I will put links in the description box down below that will take you to the different videos that tells you how to enter them. So today we are talking about one of my favorite subscription boxes. It is FabFitFun. So FabFitFun is a quarterly subscription box. Ships out $49 a quarter. In between those quarters, they have what they call their edit sale, where the editors pick the kind of their favorite things, put them together in a box, and you can get that box. You can also get mystery add-ons to your regular quarterly boxes, as well as the summer edit box for $29. And that's what I have for you guys today. I do have a code for 10% off your first box with FabFitFun. I'll put that in the description box down below. So on the mystery boxes, they do not send a card with them for me to kind of tell you a little bit about them. So I have my husband kind of look and see what he can find out, so that way I can be surprised with you. He did say that this was the only time that for all the different products, there's 4 different products, that he was able to find any information on the web whatsoever about them. So let's roll with it. The first item that I am, so they all come in kind of this big plastic bag here. And the first item that I am pulling out, is this gigantic Kate Spade New York spiral notebook. On the back it says, dot your I's, cross your T's. So he wasn't able to find anything on this. He said other notebooks are ranging like in the $30 price range. So there is this. Next from Skylar is the Arrow de Toilette Natural Spray. It is a cruelty-free brand. It says spicy, warm, seductive, date night essential, inspired by bold confidence at dusk. It's clean, hyperallergenic, cruelty-free. Featured ingredients are jasmine, rose, and vanilla. Looks like it's kind of like in a bigger sample size. And it's a roller ball. It's okay. I mean, it's not my favorite one out there. I think I like my perfumes to be more floral scent, but it's okay. I think for winter, this would be a good one. From Shea is the raw organic shea butter in jasmine. He wasn't able to find anything about this one either. This one is 1 ounce. And lastly, by Carousel is their melting pot ring holder designed by Angela Line-Terrault. Here's what the kind of box looks like. It's got this kind of rabbit with Carousel on it. And then over here, I'm assuming, is the product itself. This one does retail for $35. It's in the colors chartreuse and white. It's a ceramic ring holder that takes the shape of a wayward popsicle in a petite plate. Its width is 5 inches, height is 4.75 inches, and length is 5 inches. It does come neatly bubble wrapped. How cute is this? Put a couple on here. You wouldn't be able to fit very many on here. And then you could place some others on here as well. So So for mystery bundles, I've had better. There wasn't anything in here that screamed out, yes, please, that I would buy separately on its own. Let me know what you guys think. Let me know if you think I should still keep getting the mystery bundles, because I have gotten some really good ones in the past. Let me know your thoughts. If you like this video, hit that like button. If you haven't subscribed yet, do. It's the only way to enter those giveaways is to be a subscriber. Hit that notification bell so you know when our next video will be posted. As always, you guys have a beautiful day, and I will see you soon. Bye.